Saturday, April 18 is today, 2026. Good evening, everyone. I am happy that some group of persons are still reasoning in Nigeria. And I'm referring to what happened in Upper local government area of Benue State. Upper is APA. Upper and Agatu, they are in the same federal constituency. So it's the same person that is representing them in House of Representative Abuja. But in the state level, Upper is the local government area of its own. So it happened that APC people, the state is governed by a Reverend Father who turned politician and there, who is APC senator, APC governor. So despite the killing and everything, they are ignoring the mass exile of people into IDP, and they don't even take serious what is going on in Benue State. And what people were expecting was totally different, but they are bringing campaign pictures, they are bringing rice, they are bringing all sort of things. So they gathered for political rally. The angry youth from this upper local government area now resist them and suspend all the whole political activities, particularly this local government area. So a warning have been issued. This warning was issued under the banner of Upper Youth and circulated on Friday. Signals growing grassroots resistance against political actors amid rising insecurity in Nigeria. I clap for them. This is what we'll be expecting from around the country, especially the hinterlands of insecurity, where this war is going on. Plateau State, Borno State, Yobe State, part of Enugu, those places. Like, suspend all the whole political activities. These people are just coming to sell false hope to you. Imagine people are printing poster of Tinubu saying more to come 2027. They are threatening your life. If they say more to come 2027, meaning whatever Tinubu is giving to you, whatever Tinubu administration is giving to you, whatever this incompatible Nigeria is giving to you, that is what you will be getting in 2027. More is coming. More suffering, more pain, more taxes, more fuel price, everything more. More is coming in 2027. So, I really admire the courage of Upper Youth, and I just hope that so many people from across the country will emulate them. You see, Ukraine, when war started in Ukraine focused on the war, forgetting about election. You can't do election during war. Nigeria is at war. You understand? So I don't think the way people are prioritizing politics, that it is normal. I'm not even talking about whether it's right or not. It's not right at all, but I'm talking whether it is even normal. Because you can't expect a local government that is burying close to 7 people almost every 2 days. You are bringing campaign for them to do what exactly? So this is what is expected of every person in Nigeria, especially if insecurity is ravaging your area. Suspend politics, suspend election, suspend all those things. The elections you have done before, has it helped you? It's not helping you. What are you supposed to do now if you suspend the election? We are talking about self-help since last week. You need to gather together. You need to look for money. If you want to do whatever you want to do to raise money, to buy gun, and send your people to training, put them in vigilante, gather them so that they can respond to attack. This is the way to go, not talking about election. Because nothing is going to change what is coming, okay? Nothing is going to change what is coming. When you look at the situation now, you will understand that so many people who was hopeful that, ADC is going to be like a safe haven for them, despite warnings from so many people, including me, that political regime change is not the hope of the people. But a lot of folks are still expecting that something could come out of 2027. This is between Atiku and Tinubu. 2 of them are the same. The election is between Atiku and Tinubu. So if you are hoping that maybe someone, there are so many things that's supposed to be left unsaid, okay? I don't talk more about politics, despite I know so many things going on right now. So next election is going to be majorly between Atiku and Tinubu. So a lot of people will lose faith. They will not even go to polling unit to vote because they will say, someone that's supposed to vote for is not there, something like that. Okay? So be very careful. Don't prioritize the election while people are dying. Kudos to Upper Youth.